Oh shit.
Oh shit.
What's up guys, it's ANIPPEI. It's been a good minute, but I'm gonna start off this video with a huge unboxing. I'm talking pretty huge. Yeah, I'm just gonna get straight into it. This is package that accumulated over weeks, so I actually don't remember what some of this stuff is. I hate these kind of bags, man. What the... It just makes a huge mess. So as you guys know, I pretty much just ride primitive boards, but I've been getting into like FA and hockey a lot lately. And I saw this guy selling this shirt, 20 bucks. Oh my god, brand new. So I was like, I had to cop the shirt. I don't know if it's gonna fit right. I don't like some of the hockey and FA shirt fittings, but I really like eerie graphics like this, kind of like photo looking t-shirts. The back super cool. It's got a house with a family and some flames. I gotta wear it in the heat, man. There's a fire for a reason. Okay, I think this one's from Supreme. If you guys know, I used to make live cop Supreme videos. I wonder if there's still people watching my videos from the time I used to make those videos. Yeah, I just kind of stopped getting into Supreme, but I made a little bit more money than usual this month, and I was like, you know what, I kind of want to buy some clothing for myself, so I splurged a little bit. Supreme stickers. I got the chrome logo tee. I'm actually surprised I was able to buy this because it's size small, and size small runs out the fastest on Supreme, and I think it was the most hyped shirt that day too. It was pretty crazy. I was a little bit nervous just because this was the first time I bought Supreme in like, I honestly don't remember, like a year, probably longer. I might start it on Depop. I'd rather just make some money. So this I'm stoked about. I'm just worried if the condition's not as good or if it's too big or too small. Oh, okay, damn. So I've never had any outwear type of piece from Supreme, so I got a vest. I'm really into vests, so I had to buy this one. Yeah, this is one that I kind of spent some money on, but I would say I got a really good deal if it fits me fine. I don't know how much they are retail, but I for sure know they're above 100, and he was listing for like 130, and I got it for 70 bucks. Yeah, I didn't even know this was like a recent design, or at least in the past year. That's just how much I don't wear Supreme anymore. I wish I could cotton more, but I feel like I just been, you know, let's put this shit on. Oh shit. I think I pull. I don't know. Ooh, primitive sticker. Actually, they sent a lot. Ooh, this Transformer one. It's old. It's dope. Can't remember which board I got though. Ooh, yeah, this board was super cheap. 30 bucks. That's why I had to get it. I sold one of my boards for like 55 just to get this board, to be honest, because right now I'm not really feeling the Dragon Ball boards, to be honest, and that's basically a collector's item these days. I was just kind of overriding the anime graphic boards. I love primitive boards. They've been really killing me with the graphics lately. Like, dude, they really screwed my order. I know I ordered 2 shirts, but I only got one. Oh, what is it? What the? I don't know who I got this from, but the Element sticker came with the same package. I usually never buy shirts full price. Like, even if I have the money, I'm just kind of like, nah, I'm gonna wait till that goes on sale, or a lot of times it just ends up selling out. But yeah, this shirt, I was like, dude, I have to cop this one ASAP. Yeah, I'll open it. I usually don't like opening my stuff, but just to show you guys the back, boom. Whoever is our creative designer at Primitive right now, they're killing it. Like, I would have never expected Primitive to be doing designs like this, but it's cool because they're like skate company, but like they also attract like a good mixture of streetwear in it. They also do so many collabs that it gains attraction and attention from like everyone. Their demographic is huge. Got classic Primitive grip. I'll probably just give this away if I sell a board or someone needs it. I'm pretty sure this, oh, there we go. I forgot what their new collection was called. It was like Good Earth or something. They killed it with that. This shirt, it's funny because my boy Mowgli, I can't say that. It's funny because my boy Mowgli, I have to say it slow, but yeah, he's just been replying to all my comments and messages with butterflies, and I'm like, dude, you making no sense. Like, man, are you horny? You gay or something? Like, no offense to anyone that's gay, but I'm just like, you got butterflies for me or something? Like, what? I don't know. That was probably a weird comment. Yeah, they killed it with this one hard. I actually want to learn how to do butterfly designs. I gotta look that up. This shirt, it was really hard to decide what color to get. This one, I'm the most excited about. I didn't really know what video to make, so I put off making this unboxing for a really long time until this package came. So I already saw these on Instagram, so I know what I'm expecting, but I'm excited to see them in person. Oh yeah, this is from LM Grip Art, by the way. Yeah, let's read the letter. It says, thank you so much for the support, and I hope you enjoy the grip. Shred on and never give up. I'm not trying to be grammar Nazi, but saying enjoy the grip, but send me too, it's enjoy the grips, but hey, thank you. Follow at LM Grip Art. I'm really grateful that she did this on Mob Grip because currently I only like riding Mob Grip. I can do Jessup sometimes. Ooh. Dude, shit. This one is so dope. I guess I could just put it on with this new deck that I got because I've been skating my cracked board for a good minute. I haven't been skating that much recently, TBH. If you guys don't know who this is, it is Gon from Hunter x Hunter, or I think it's just Hunter x Hunter, but I don't know. I recently binge watched this anime during the quarantine and I'm like, yo, I can see why it's rated like #2 on my anime list. So I was like, yo, LM, can you make me some grip in the future because I'm not getting bucked these days, so I felt kind of bad if like I don't use the grip right away. But she was like, yo, I'll send you some grip. So I was like, hey, cool, do me this one if you can. And she was kind enough to do a second one. Oh my god, this one is so dope. I honestly don't know if I want to skate this one. Like, it looks too clean. And this is Killua from Hunter x Hunter, or Hunter x Hunter. And yeah, so make sure you guys go follow at LM Grip Art because that person does an amazing job on doing grip art. And what I do like about LM Grip Art is that she actually does custom designs, and I'm pretty sure she doesn't even charge that much. That's why I'm so grateful that she put in the time and money on art product to do these for me, because art supplies, they're expensive. But yeah, just hit her up. She's gonna blow up one day. Go buy some grip off her. Just make sure you like plan it ahead of time with her, you know, because art takes time. Okay, this I got too excited to open. This is actually the last one, but I didn't show it because I opened it early. So again, I've been getting into FA. I got both of these shirts, 40 bucks off some dude. FA. I love polos. The homie the other day told me that him and his homie were having conversations like, you know, eBay looks kind of good in polos. And I'm like, you know, you're right. So I got this yellow banana looking, I'm gonna be looking like a banana polo. This A photo t-shirt, I'm pretty sure this shirt is super old if I'm not mistaken. It does have some slight cracking, but $40 for both of those shirts, super good deal. But yeah, again, I just wanted to mainly make this video just for LM Grip Art. So again, thanks LM Grip Art, and go follow, order some grip. So I'm filming the outro because this video was supposed to be part of the last vlog. But yeah, now that school's over, I'm gonna try to post more frequently. And if you guys did enjoy the video, like, comment, subscribe, that always helps. Thanks, yo, peace out. Damn, I just realized they sent me this too. I'm actually super bummed that I didn't go to the Encore premiere with the homies.